Hey friends, if you wish to fix blue screen of death error with the error code 0x135 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to remove peripherals like printers, scanners, and cameras. And why? Because these interfere with the existing drivers of the system. They try pushing in their own drivers. So try removing them and see if it helps. And the last solution obviously is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.